Hello everybody, I'm the turtle, and I've taken over from the blue-lipped angel who was doing a pretty rubbish job. She didn't understand a lot, so I thought I'd tell you a few things. This here is a guitar shark. Unbelievable, look at that, never seen one so close up. And he was completely unafraid. He just lay there while I went up to him. He excited the attention of all the little fish around because they'd never seen anything so huge. Look at him, he's wonderful. This reef is called Shamenta after a bicycle that was sunk many years ago, and it's full of shoals of fish. Bobby spotted something. He grunts when he spotted something. Ah, it's a hermit crab. And some white-lined lionfish. Now, I hope you'll bear with me because I'm asking you not to listen to music, but to listen to the sounds of the reef. Extraordinary sounds. Listen. That clicking noise is coming from that giant triggerfish. The cooing is coming from a pair of mating dominoes, damselfish. And listen to this. It's a juvenile emperor angelfish clicking. And listen to the boom. Click, click, click from the giant pelagic moray. We're back to our divers again. But you can still hear the clicking and twittering of the fish. And they've spotted a beautiful oriental sweet lips. And can you hear my breathing accelerate as we spot the shark again? There he is. Beautiful guitar shark. Cheers everyone. I hope you enjoyed listening to the sounds of the reef.